What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, we're going to be doing a lot. We're going to be doing some giveaways. Actually, today, one of my followers, he made quite a few bucks. And basically, he said, hey, I want to donate a copy of your book and I want to give it to somebody in need. And I feel the same way. I'm going to. He said, hey, I want to donate a copy. There we go. Sorry. So that's the audio test. So we're all good here. So basically, that inspired me today to also, I'm going to give another copy out and another book copy. So basically, we're going to give out 2 books today with 30 days in the room and in the Discord. Okay, so everyone here tonight, you guys have a chance to get that to win. So I'm going to be paying very close attention to you who's interacting in the chat, asking good questions, who wants to change their life. That's what we're looking for. People that are motivated to get results. All right. So I know we have 55 people here in the chat right now. So as we always do, let's first start off with where you guys are tuning in from tonight. Let me know. And I'm going to just retweet this right here and try to see if we can get some more people in. So here we go. Let me go back here. Try to get some more people in. In the meantime, you guys just let me know where you're tuning in from tonight, and then we're going to get the party started. So here we go. Live now. Class in session. Free. What do you want to do free today?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Good. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, I think that one's going to work really well. So let's see if we can entice everybody with that. All right. So we have, let's see. We have Trader War Room, Leavenworth, G Trades from Boston, Harry from Toronto, Shadow Noob from Brooklyn, Mahidi from Philly. What's up, brother? I see your comments. Appreciate all your support all the time. Cali, first time here from Brother Serenity. Welcome to the crew, brother. Nirmal from Oakland, California. Adam from Western Colorado. Tom from Arizona. And let's do one more. Okay. Alfred from Atlanta. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with our recap. We're going to talk about the 4 plays today. It was a pretty clean day. 4 for 4. Nice plays overall. And then we're going to talk a little bit more about the giveaway. We're going to talk about some my alerts from my bots. Look at some highlights in Instagram. And we're going to talk about the Pfizer home run trade from yesterday and also the Oracle swing trade that has been doing very, 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 very well. All right. So let's get started. We're going to start off first with, let's do DraftKings. So DraftKings is one of those plays that a lot of people have been constantly asking me about because obviously there's earnings and all that around it. So basically, let's start from the beginning. So what did we see on DraftKings that we liked? So let's go ahead and hit the market replay. So yesterday we saw an inside bar. So we have an inside bar close on the daily chart. So what do you guys think that means? So what are happening to option premiums when we have an inside bar close on the daily chart? When we're consolidating for one full day and we can't break out of the previous day's range, what's happening to option premiums here, guys? Are the option premiums going increasing or are they decaying? What do you guys think? So let me know. What do you say? DK. Good. So option premiums are decaying. Also, the inside bar, what it's trying to show us is that we're paused. We paused. So we're looking to make a move. Look at these. Look at all you have to do, guys. Look at the chart. Look at the last time we had an inside bar. Look at this move that we had. Look at the last time we had an inside bar. We had a move. Last time we had an inside bar. Consolidation. That's fine. Not everyone's going to be perfect. Look at this. Outside bar, double inside bar pattern. Boom. You see that? So that's what the whole thesis is. The thesis behind this is that we want to have a little bit of an edge before we come into the day. And this for me has been ground changing and revolutionary for my trading because it helps me to focus on specific stocks. So let me ask you guys right now. When I first started trading, I would just follow people on Twitter, follow everybody. Oh, one day Zoom, one day Tesla. Oh, there's 100 picks. I don't know what to choose. I don't know where to start. There's just so much. It's an overload. But when you can focus on a specific pattern, like an inside bar close, then you actually are able to streamline things and to focus on certain specific names, and it allows you to trade better. So what do you guys think? Do you guys prefer to just freelance and just pick up names as you see them? Or do you want to have a structure? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 1 if you're a freelance trader. There's no right or wrong answer. You're a freelance trader. You're coming in here. You're just seeing, okay, this one's hot, this one's hot. Or do you want structure? Hit me with a 2 if you prefer structure. Right? And then while you guys are thinking, I see a Fibonacci here. Let me just see this. Yep, that's exactly what I just thought. Right? So here we go. Just for a little bit of education while we're going through this, I just saw this with my eye. I just wanted to point it out. Like, this is beautiful. This is what Fibonacci is. This is, this is why I wrote my book. Look at this. Okay, we had this push down here on DraftKings. We had this pull back right to the 786. We had the outside bar signal right there. And then boom, we took it back down to the 0.169. The 0.169 is my extension that I put in customly because of the fact that I back tested it and it works really well. And guess what? At the 0.169, you have a beautiful outside bar signal. And look at that beautiful bounce, guys. It's just crazy. What I am giving, the content, the value that I'm giving every single day is unmatched. And I promise you that because I've been in this industry for a long time and I've created my channel with the idea, with the vision to help every single person out there from the beginning to the end. All right. So that's what we do. Okay. So we got a super sticker right now. Let's shout out to my brother Greg Bauer right here with the $1.99 with the thumbs up. Thank you very much, sir. Okay. So here we go. Let's go into the 5-minute chart. Okay. I have my little brother here. And I'm teaching him every single day, guys. I'm taking care of the youth, the generations. You guys know people don't do what I'm doing. I went to a high school in Chicago and I'm speaking to students, at-risk students, man. I'm out here on the streets helping people. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm a different type of person and I want you guys to be different. Go and help your community, help your family, help your friends. If you have education, share your education. You cannot take your education into the grave. You cannot take your money into the grave. So make a difference. Okay? Make a difference. All right. So enough of this rants. Let's get into the business. But let me just shout out right here, Andrea, $9.99. Thank you, Rich, for all your hard work. Thank you, Andrea. I appreciate you very, very much. Chutron right here with the $10 with the thank you. This man is always donating. Andrea's always donating. I appreciate you guys. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. That's all we care about. We're here to make money. That's it. So let's go. Play. Boom. Oops. This thing is, why does it do that? Anyways. So let me hit the replay again. 9:30 here. Okay. So here we go. So we're in DraftKings. We know that it was an inside bar close yesterday. We can visually see it's an inside bar close because we could see all the action from yesterday is stuck within the range of the previous day. So we know, hey, something is brewing. We don't know if it's 100%. Nothing is 100%, but we know that we have a chance to take an opportunity. So what do we have? We have the trigger price down here. We have the for the puts, we have the trigger price above here for the longs. We also know, what do we have? We have inside bar plays. We have opening range breakout. We have the tools. Okay. So here we go. $4.99 Tesla thoughts. Thank you for all you do, brother. Okay. So let me write that down so that we can do Tesla. Let me just make a note somewhere here before I forget. So I'm going to write this down right here, guys. So we'll come back to that for my brother right here with a donation, Tesla. And then $1.99 for my brother, Traders War Room. Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate that. All right. So there we go. So Tesla, here I was on DraftKings. All right. Was I on DraftKings? Yeah, it was. Okay. Yeah. 5-minute. Boom. All right. So we're going to hit the replay again and we're going to do this again. Okay. All right. So here we go. So first 5-minute bar, what happens? Boom. So we break the trigger right there. So we break the puts right there. We break the entry level to go short. And the reason is we're looking for that momentum to the downside because we're breaking. Look at this hammer bar over here. We're breaking that hammer. So anyone that went long yesterday around this price has a potential for a stop run. That's what we're taking advantage of as traders. So there we go. So we get that breakdown right there. If you don't want to take the trigger, then the next play is the opening range breakout, as always. There we go. So if you didn't take the trigger, you get in right there with the opening range breakout with the breakdown of the first 5-minute bar, and then boom, just a nice little flush right there. This move from here to here, guys, good 20 to 50%, maybe more, depends on how good your entry was. And then after that, we had a little small holy grail. This one just chopped out, so nothing really to say. And then we had another leg down. So basically, guys, I'm going to teach you guys a very important lesson today. Get the pen and the pad out right now. Get the pen and the pad out. I'm giving you a warning. Get the pen and the pad out right now. So listen to this, okay? When we are trading, day trading, you have a high chance of getting 2 pushes in a move. If you're going long, okay, if you're going long, you have a chance that you're going to have 2 pushes up. If you're going short, you have a chance that you're going to get 2 pushes down. When you get 2 pushes in one direction, you need to be locking in profits. When you're above 25%, you need to start scaling out. But a good piece of advice that I've learned in my trading career, after 2 legs, get out, because that's the high probability. And leave some runners on if you want, but look for those 2 legs. Okay, guys? And we can clearly use the Fibonacci here to help us with the legs. We had the the pullback from the low to the high, this first little morning leg from my book, push to the 236 and trade to the 272 as a clean play right there. This is the clean play right here. Watch this. Push down, pull back to the 236, trade to the 272. If you don't want to take the risk, you have to get out on the second push. There is the second push. Here is the first push down. Here's the pullback. Here's the extension. Right at the 272, all out. All out. Be done. If you just want to get in and out. Okay? So hit me with the 1 if you understand that. So we have right here Jade Flag with the $9.99. Thank you very much. Thanks for all the plays from Dope Girl Jade. Thank you, Dope Girl Jade. And we have Sibby First right there with $5. Thank you very much. I really, really much appreciate that. Are you following so far? Good. So what's the importance of 2 pushes? This is something sometimes I know a lot about trading, but I am so busy and sometimes I forget to do the nitty-gritty things and explain the very, very tiny details to you guys. But I explained it in my book thoroughly, but when I'm on the stream, sometimes I need a reminder. And that's why I have my little brother, he's here. So because I'm pretending that I'm teaching him. So then I'm thinking in my head what I need to say. Okay? So it's important that he's here so that I can think about these points. But basically the importance of 2 legs is this. So get the pen and the paper out and just get the notes down. Usually within the first hour, we can see a reversal. Okay, we can see a reversal within the first hour. Okay, and let's see if that happens actually with DraftKings. Let me fast forward. Boom. Okay, so this is something that I learned a long time ago from my old mentors trading in the game for a while. Within the first hour, so here's basically the first 45 minutes. Within that first 45 minutes to an hour, we can see a reversal. That is what we call the morning reversal strategy. And that is actually a strategy. And that's a strategy that I've traded, the morning reversal. Okay. So when you are taking that first push of the day, when you get that second leg, you need to understand that this could be the point where it reverses. And we can clearly see it absolutely perfectly here. We had the push down, pull to the 236, extension to the 272, and that's all she wrote for the rest of the day with DraftKings, right? So that's why, because within the first hour, you have maybe a 60 to 70% shot. Okay, you have a 60 to 70% shot that maybe this is going to be the reversal of the day. So don't be greedy. I'm not saying not to hold runners. Hold your runners as long as you can, but scale something out. Okay, get paid. Get paid. All right. So we have another $5 from Andrea. Andrea, you're going crazy today. Thank you so much. She said this is for you, Dereck. So you got a $5 there. So you're gonna get a junior chicken today with that.
Thank you, Andrea.
So we got Dereck here hanging out with me, guys. All right. So there we go. So all right. So do you guys understand? Hit me with a 2 if you guys understand what we're talking about here. And make sure you're taking a pen and a pad. You're making some notes. If you're a very diligent person, send me a screenshot after. We'll retweet it. We'll get it out there. Okay. So hit me with a 2 if you're following me so far. So we got Roman Empire with the junior chicken joke, but guys, we grew up hard. We grew up very hard in my family, guys. A family of immigrants, 3 brothers, and we're all 5 years apart. And you know what? We had to fight over food because there wasn't enough food sometimes, you know? So that's what we grew up on, you know? So now that I'm on the top of the ladder, do not think for a second that I'm not going to forget about my roots and the people that were in my shoes, because I'm going to be there to help them. Okay, let's move on. Next play, Amazon. So what do we have Amazon on the daily? So Amazon was in a very, very important play. It was a very important play because of what? Because Amazon already gapped down. It gapped down off of earnings, right? It gapped down off of earnings. It had an inside bar. And we can already see here it closed with an outside bar, right? So this right here, this is what we call option premium killing. Okay? This is option premium killing at its finest. And this is why I tell you guys, after earnings, you don't need to jump the gun. You don't need to jump the gun after earnings and try to buy because the options are going to be priced very heavily. Okay? So now if we try to play Amazon now, or if we play it off of an inside bar, the option premiums are going to be decayed a little bit. Okay? And then we can come in and get a better price. That's the whole point, right? I'm trying to teach you guys stuff that's going to protect your capital. So here we go. First five, let's go to the 5-minute chart. Let's see what we have on Amazon. So we have the trigger prices here. Okay, we have the first 5-minute bar. We can take an opening range breakout. No, instead what happens? We get a holy grail. Okay, so we get outside bar, inside bar, holy grail. Take the break of that right there. Another one. So this one is kind of crazy. Okay, this is an outside bar followed by a double inside bar. So this is a different pattern. We don't see this at all. And what is this telling us? This is telling us that we're just consolidating. We're trapping. We're just killing premiums. We're just killing premiums. But that's why we have our tools. We have the Trading War golden indicators right here. We have our tools to help us visualize these things. There we go. And then we have the breakout right here. Finally, the double inside bar breakout. And guys, don't think that from this move from here to here, don't think that that can't pay the bills. That can pay the bills. This move from here to here, that's 1-to-1. That can pay the bills. Okay, guys? There we go. And then we have another trap. But that's fine. You could have taken this move from here, just taking that breakout right there up to here, guys. You could have scaled out some right there easily. All right. But obviously you have to be a little bit fast. So that's the thing with trading is that there's always opportunities. So we got Roman Empire right here for the 499. He says upgrade to a big back, my brother Dereck. So we're definitely gonna get that big back, man. So thank you very much, brother. We got Tom Caricio right here, $5. Thanks for sharing the knowledge, brother. Thank you all for being here. This channel needs to be with 1 million subscribers, and we need to have 5 to 10,000 or 15,000 people in this YouTube channel because I'm changing lives every single day. And I know there's other YouTubers out there that are doing their thing or whatever, and they're just talking shit all day, and they're putting EMAs here. They're drawing J-Lo bottoms and doing couple handle and spoon and forks, and they have more viewers than us. But don't worry, our time will come. Okay? Don't worry. So here we go. Now let's continue. Okay. So pretty much after that, after this little play here, we actually have the trigger coming in, right? So we just broke that trigger. Here was the trigger, right? And we had a decent push from here to here, guys. That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you got to take base hits from here to here. That's a base hit. That's money, right? And then we have the retest. You see how these levels become important because we push down, we retest. That's what I'm talking about right there. So even if you miss the breakdown, you want to take the retest. Here's a retest. Here's an inside bar there. So everything is there. Everything is there. Okay. And then we just kind of flatten out and then we pop up. And this is what I keep telling you guys. Look at this. Right here, this is the morning reversal trying to pull up. So if you are trading, you have to always be aware of the morning reversal. If you didn't take the first few legs, you can be looking for the reversal play, right? So there we go. Boom, 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 and that's pretty much it. So this is what an outside bar looks like on the 5-minute chart, right? Because it broke the low and then it came back and broke the high. You guys see that? This is what an outside bar looks like on the 5-minute chart. So visualize this. This is why an outside bar is important. An outside bar is important because of what? The outside bar is important because we break the low and break the high. We're trapping people. Here the bears are trapped. And then when we push back up here, let's see how we close. Okay, let me just fast forward. Okay, you see how we close back in? We come back in. So now we have both sides trapped. We have both sides trapped because bulls took the breakout, but they're kind of scared right now. We still have some people holding these puts. They're scared right now too. So tomorrow is a great opportunity to come in and see what we can get. Okay. So here we go. My brother right there, Greg Bauer with the $10. Get some drinks. Thank you very much, brother. I don't even have time to drink anymore. I wish I did, but I will definitely get some when I get some time. I got my brother Mahidi right here with the $4.99. Keep it up. Thank you so much, brother. Appreciate you. All right. So let's keep it rolling. Let's move on to Uber. So are you guys good with Amazon? So hit me with a 3 if we're good with Amazon. Let's continue. Let me just put some of these donations up here, guys. Mahidi, thank you very much, brother. Greg, thank you very much. Tom, thank you very much, brother. Roman, thank you very much. I know Andrea had a donation up here. Andrea right there with the 5. I really should be sharing, you know, like the donations on the screen, but I forget sometimes. So here we go. Sibby with the 5. Thank you. Let's go. Jade with the 9.99. Traders War Room right there. Eldon Harris, appreciate all of you. Andrea again. Chutron, respect. Greg Bauer again. All right, good stuff. Thank you guys. Thank you. Okay. Let's proceed. Oh no, how do I take this off now? Oh, one sec. We gotta scroll all the way back up here to take that one off. Otherwise, it's gonna stay there forever, which is fine. We could have that in there forever, but you guys won't be able to see the chart. That's the only problem. All right, there we go. So let's go back down. Let's continue. Then we had Uber. So Uber, I did a video recap on that already. So I'm not gonna do the replay because I already did a video recap. Uber was the cleanest one on the day in terms of just a breakdown of the level, straight flush, right? And see, this is what I say by 2 legs. Here's the first leg, pull back, second leg, right there, you want to be out. You know what I mean? So let's just draw the fib. You know, this is from my book right here. The fib can help us out. Look at this. So push down, pull to the 236, trade to the 10% extension, and then we are gone. And the 10% extension is something you guys will not see. That is something I created. So there we go. We broke down here. If you didn't take the trigger, you had the opening range breakout right there. If you missed that, you had the outside bar right there. So very clean. Like that one is the easiest one. Uber was just the easiest one. We got Ramon right there with the super sticker, $3.99. Thank you, brother. Let me see what the super sticker is. I got the cup of wine or the cup of coffee. I don't know which one that is. But I'll take both right now. So appreciate that, brother. So hit me with the 6 if we're okay on Uber. Uber, these are what we call clean moves. You see this? We break the trigger price and we just flush. Or we take the opening range breakout, we just flush. There's very little pullback. So if you're taking options here with the puts right here, it's a clean move. You're gonna get a good return on that. That's what I'm trying to say there. So for you, coffee. Okay, it's coffee, but it's okay. We could put a little bit of wine inside if we need to. All right, so we got the 666. All right, good stuff. Hit with the Walmart right there. Boom. Let's go to the daily. Okay, Walmart. This makes me so happy. This one in Walmart makes me so happy because only with my indicators, guys, can we find this stuff. Only. Okay, look at this. Look what we had here. We had double holy grails. Double holy grail, double holy grail. Double holy grail, double holy grail. Okay, double holy grail. Do you guys know how rare that is? We had outside, inside, outside, inside. That is so rare. You will not find this on another chart. So, I mean, the indicators there, guys, they're for free. Have them on your chart. Like, this is game changing. So we had outside, inside, trap, 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 trap. Today, we actually have the climax. And this could be just the first push with Walmart. This could be just the first one. Okay? And I'm still in this on a swing trade. I'm still on it. I'm still in it from my swing room. Okay? But look at this. This is just absolutely beautiful. We're looking for consolidation. Here it is in your face. The heavens had opened up twice, and we got double holy grails, and double holy grail plus holy grail equals revelations. Okay, holy grail plus holy grail equals revelations. And today the truth was revealed on Walmart right in front of our eyes. Absolutely beautiful trade. Let's hit the market replay. Let's dig into it. First 5 minutes, boom. Okay. All right. So we have the trigger down here. We have the trigger up here. We're going to go first candle, boom. Okay. Nice, beautiful candle. What play can we take after this first 5 minute bar closes? What do you think? What do you guys think? First 5 minute bar closes right here. It's in the middle of the trigger. Okay. The trigger to go long is right here to buy calls. The trigger to go short for the puts is down here. So did it break the triggers yet? No. So we can't take the trigger approach. Okay. We can't say, hey, I'm going to go long here. I'm going to go short here. But what can we do instead? What are our other options? The orb. There we go, guys. Right? So there we go. I see everybody in there. Opening range breakout. So what is the opening range breakout? Let's talk about what does the opening range breakout mean? So the opening range breakout, let's break it down into 3 separate words. Opening range breakout. Okay? So opening means at the open. And what we mean by at the open is the first 5-minute bar. So the first 5-minute bar on Walmart closes at 9:35. It starts at 9:30, it finishes at 9:35. You guys follow me? Follow me? So what we're going to do here now is we're going to say, okay, Walmart within the first 5 minutes, it had a high at 142.68 and the low was 142.36. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to get in, but we don't know how to get in. But what we can use is the opening range breakout. So this is the opening 5 minutes. This is the range, the high and the low. And then the next thing is the breakout. So if it breaks above the high, we're going to go long. If it breaks below the low, we're going to go short. Following me there? So here we go. Boom. There we go. Beautiful. So it breaks the high. We're in long. And guess what? So this is what I call front running. So we actually got in before the level even broke. Right? So if we waited for the level to break over here, we would have already been late to the party. But because we took the opening range breakout, we actually were able to get in there. So we got in a lot earlier. And then boom, that's all she wrote, guys. That's it. Beautiful. Okay. So that's how we can use the opening range breakout to get into the plays a little bit earlier than the trigger levels. Okay. So the opening range breakout is for gaps up and gap down, correct? But it's also for days that have an inside day or a holy grail before it. Because what we're trying to say is that the opening range breakout is going to help us get into the momentum because we're expecting momentum. Okay, look at this chart. We had 4 days of consolidation, which is a double holy grail. Our thesis coming into today is that, hey, guess what? We're probably going to make a move. We don't know. Nothing is for sure. We don't know 100%, but we can say, I'm willing to take a chance that today we're going to make a move because we've been consolidating for 4 days. We've been trapping people for 4 days. We've been decaying option premiums for 4 days in a row. Okay. And then boom, now we just have to go into the 5-minute and we have to find a signal. And there's a signal, the opening range breakout. If you miss that, then you have the trigger right there. If you miss that, there's actually a Fibonacci leg right here, low to high, boom, pulling back into the 382. And what did I say about the 382, guys? I like using the 382, especially when I have a double bottom. So when I have a multiple test, so we have a test and another test here. We also have the 20 EMA pulling in there. Okay, so nice little play here too if you missed it. But obviously, as a day trader, guys, we want to be coming in here, right? And then look at this again. What did I just say? I said 2 legs and you're out. Okay. And just look at this. This is the power of 7 years in the market of grinding my ass off. Look at this. We had the low to high, pull back and trade exactly to the 10% extension. So people ask me, hey, why do you have 10% extension? Where is that? It's not a Fibonacci. 10% extension is not a Fibonacci. 10% extension comes from me getting my ass kicked in the market. That's what it comes from. When I was trading, when I was a new trader, I was always like, well, it always goes to a new high little by a little bit, and then it turns around and I lose money. So what do? I sit down, I get the pen and the pad out, I start the back testing, and I say, hey, you know what? 10% is actually a pretty strong reversal. And these are all the things. These are all the things that I write in my book, guys. Everything I wrote about, it's all in there. Okay. So there we go. So that's Walmart. Good stuff. Okay. So now, so those are the recaps. We have a few more, but we're just running out of time. We're already 30 minutes in. So these are the ones from the main channel. Did you have anyone that you really wanted to share? Let's see. So we had Chevron. Okay. I think Chevron was, yeah. So Chevron right there, Holy Grail. See, we had a nice push down, push back up. Pfizer. Okay. I need to talk about this. Johnson Johnson, nice continuation. Okay. So let's continue. Let's move on. So right there. So this is what I want to talk about. Okay. So we did the recap. We did the give. So we're going to pick 2 people for the giveaway. The alert bot. So now I want to talk about the alert bot. So for those that are in my private my private Discord, my private swing room, I have the SPY bot alerts, and I also have the daily options alert. So these are the ones that we pick the night before. So like you could see today, Amazon, DraftKings, Walmart. What this bot is doing is it's finding inside bars on the 5-minute chart and it's posting it automatically to help you guys manage your trades, to get into plays, etc. The SPY bot is very important to me because this is how I started my journey in trading. I started trading futures and SPY only. And I know that the 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, and hourly inside bars have an edge. I know that because I've been trading them for a long time. So I programmed this bot to give me all the inside bars on the 5, the 15, the 30, and the hourly. And it's just been killing it. It's been killing it. And if we look at the SPY right here, here was the last 3 hourly bar signals. So I already talked about these 2 yesterday, and then look at this one today. This is just magnificent, guys. It doesn't need to work all the time. It doesn't need. If you hit a few of them and you get 3 or 4 times your money or maybe 5 times your money, you can lose a lot. You can have a 35% win rate, 40% win rate and still make money. Okay? So I'm not saying it's 100% win rate. That's not what we care about. We care about good risk to reward. And look at this beautiful one. So we had the inside bar at 10:30. Let's go to the alerts. So today at right there, so it opened at 10:30, it closed at 11:30. So when the bar closes right here at 11:30, SPY inside bar 1 hour. And man, like I just can't believe that I've come this far. Because I used to sit all day long at my desk just watching stuff and it just burns me out. It burnt me out. It burnt me out. I had to take a break, you know? Hey guys, let me know. Are you getting burnt out from sitting in front of the chart for 8, 9 hours a day? Hit me with a 1 if yes. Hit me with a 1 if you feel like you're getting burnt out. Because I did. I went hard when I first started trading and I got burnt. And I was just looking for setups. And it became like an overload. And finally, I found the tools that are going to make this easier for me. Right? So there we go. So I can be relaxing. I can be having a cup of coffee. I can be hanging out. I can be chilling. And the alerts are going to come in for me. And then I can say, okay, I'm going to bring this to my attention. Let me do something here. Okay. I didn't take this play because I was in a lot of other plays today. But I just want to ask you guys, what do you guys think calls could have done if we got them on this inside bar right here with this hammer inside bar? If we got the close of this inside bar right there, what do you think the calls would have been by the end of the day? Just give me some ideas. Okay, what do you guys think? Okay, because SPY has expiry on Wednesdays also, not just Fridays. Because SPY is a very liquid instrument, obviously it's S&P 500, so there are multiple expiries. So what do you guys think? If we took the calls right there or on the break above the high, okay, what do you guys think? At least double. At least double. All right. I feel like I've changed the game and I'm very happy with the progress. Okay. So let's keep going. So Instagram. So I've been posting some short clips and videos on Instagrams that you guys can watch to get some better recaps. And this one was very important to me because actually a follower DM'd me this, that they took the Pfizer calls from 16 cents to $1.83. And they made a lot of money and they wanted to pay it forward and they wanted to, thank me. And I want to share with you guys, this is the type of life-changing stuff that we're doing every single day, guys, for free. From 16 cents to $1.83. That's over 1,000%. It's insane. So let's just look at that one quickly for a recap, right? So here we go. We were on the daily, and actually we posted this on what channel? We posted this on my main channel, and we also posted it on the Trading Wars Double Inside Bar channel, right? So let's look at it. And this is the reason why I'm having these extra channels. So it's going to be more like if somebody just wants to trade double inside bars, then you can just follow this channel. That's the whole point. I'm trying to make it easier for you. I don't want people to be confused. Okay, so here we go. So August 1st, we're saying very rare double inside days on Pfizer and GNRC. So Pfizer, the trigger was 43.18. That's the trigger to go long. And as we can see right there, here was a double inside bar. We gapped up. We talked about the opening range breakout right there. And boom, taking that play, guys, from here to here, guys. It's just absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, guys. It just makes me so happy to be able to share this with you guys. Because this is the accumulation of all of my work. And look at this here, guys. Let's look in the past. Look at this one. Look at this inside bar here. What if you took this one? Look at this outside bar over here. What if you took that one? Just clean, so beautiful, just elegant. It's like art. It's just amazing. Take a picture of this. This is the perfect double inside bar breakout. It's picture perfect, and it's 1,000 over 1,000% return on the options. That is game changing. Okay, love it. All right, let's continue. So space, okay, home run, Oracle, and Tesla. So my brother wanted to talk about Tesla, and I want to talk about Oracle. So Oracle, we actually took it in the swing trading room today, and we doubled up on the calls. And I just want to show you guys. For those, hold on one sec. We got the $5 super sticker from Karen Jarvis right there. So let's show some respect to Karen. Thank you very much. We got the hands clapping right there. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. Appreciate that dearly. Okay, thank you. So for those of you who can't day trade, okay, for those of you who can't day trade, who don't have the time to day trade, who are very busy, who et cetera, who don't have the time to sit in front of the chart, you're not off the hook. You're not. You're not. Because guess what? If you can't day trade, you can swing trade. Right? Here we are on the weekly chart. We had the inside bar right there. Inside bar last week. Right here, this was our entry today. This all happened today. 88.55, we got filled on the breakout of that inside bar. We hit 1.25 today on our at the highest point on Oracle. Okay, I'll tell you what I got for the options. Second. So just logging into my account here. I think it was, okay, I'm trying to log in here. It doubled. I don't know why it's taking so long to connect. Come on, interactive brokers, don't let me down. Embarrassing me in front of my audience. Okay, there we go. So Oracle right here. So I got in on the August 20th, 2021, 90 calls. I got in at an average price of $1.10, and it went to a high of $1.82. So not quite double, but in terms of the shares, we're able to double to make back our risk. So what it means by 1.25, so this is the high. The high was actually close to 1.5, but we do quarter increments. So right there, 1.25, what that means, if we risk $1,000 on this trade, we're gonna make 1,250. Okay. So that one was just beautiful. And I'm really happy, this can be done. Trading can be done on all time frames. There's no excuse. It's up to the person to find something that works for them. I have everything. I have swings. I have investments. I have day trades. I have scalps. I have everything because I like to be a casino when I trade. I want to have multiple things happening because I know everything is a probability. Everything is a coin flip. I just putting bets out. Here's a 500. Here's 500. Here's 500. Here's 1,000. Here's 200. Here's 100. I'm just putting it out there. I put it out and I let it work. I let it work. And it comes back to me. Some are winners, some are losers. And that's fine. I'm at peace with that before it happens. But all I know is this. If I have an average risk to reward of 2 to 1, how many trades out of 100 do we need to win? 34. That's it. All right, guys. What else did I want to say? See, Tesla. Okay, so my brother donated about Tesla. And let's go to the daily chart. Let's do some analysis on Tesla. So this is a very important close on Tesla today. That's why Tesla is one of our picks for tomorrow, right? So Tesla is very important tomorrow because the fact of this is that Monday, we had a big sell-off on Tesla. You see this long wick? We had a big sell-off into the close. Today, we failed to have any follow-through. To the downside. And instead, we had another inside bar. So this is very important because we have some shorts that are in here and we have some consolidation today. It's getting ready to make a move. It's not 100% going to make a move, but we have at least a 60 to 70% shot that we can get a move. And this consolidation with this wick here can lead to explosive moves. If we start pushing up above here, we can have a stop run. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for tomorrow with Tesla. And if it doesn't work, it's fine. We have more picks to play. We just continue to move on and continue to move forward. All right. So there we go. I think I covered everything that I wanted to talk about. The picks for tomorrow have already been posted on all the channels, and it's ready to rock and roll. And so I promised someone today, someone who's subscribed, that I would explain to them how to move about in the Discord. So basically, this is what we have to do, guys. If you're in the Discord, this is what you have to do. You go to the FAQ for the paid room right here, and you go to the pin messages. You want to go through all of these pin messages, the private swing room FAQ, and add the premium golden indicators with alerts. So you want to do that, you want to do that. Okay, done. Now you come over to the members area, and then for each one of these alert sections, so let's say the daily option alerts, you're going to go to the pin tweet again, pin message, and you're going to watch the video on what you got to do. Okay, that's it. That's all you got to do. And if you're taking the swings, here are the swing alerts. Okay, very simple. We don't need to complicate anything. That's it. All right. And yeah, and so that's pretty much it, guys. That's all I wanted to talk about. I really appreciate all the donations. I'm gonna pick 2 winners for the giveaway, and I'm gonna announce it on Twitter right after this. And that's pretty much it. Let's do 1 or 2 quick questions. So Adam said here, Adam, first class with you. Great stuff. Just bought your book. Thank you, Adam. I will get that out to you tonight, brother. Thank you very much. How many time frames do you check before deciding to take a trade? 5 minute, 15 minute daily. It's a good one. So I have defined time frames for different purposes. So one of my accounts, for example, will be a swing trading account. In that account, I'll primarily focus on the weekly, the monthly, 2 week, 3 week, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month, semi-annual, annual, quarterly. I'll be focusing on those charts, looking for my plays. When it comes to day trading, I'm primarily on the 5 minute chart, but also the 15. I like the 3 minute chart also. So 3, 15, 5. So for each one of those, so basically for each strategy, whether it's a day trade or it's a swing trade, I have specific timeframes that I use. Okay. Here we go. Thank you so much for all you share. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you. Covered calls, puts. What are your thoughts? I don't do those. I don't do covered calls or puts, so I cannot advise you on that, brother. How not to be scared of volatility when looking opening range breakout. How not to be scared is to start back testing your data so you're confident in what you're doing. And the second thing is to risk smaller size. If you're scared, that means you're risking too much of your account. Simple. Okay. If you're risking $5 and you have $1 million, you're not going to feel it. So here we go. Got $3 from our brother, Travin McDuff. Thank you very much for that, brother. Super sticker. When is it appropriate to use opening range breakout? Anytime we have an inside bar close, holy grail close, double inside bar close the previous day, opening range breakout is a valid strategy. And the reason why is because we're coming off of consolidation, looking for acceleration. Okay. Anything else? No. All right. Well, that's it. I think this was great. I'm going to watch a movie with my family. I need to do that and spend some time with them. So I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. And I just want you guys to help me out. Give me a like, okay? Subscribe, whatever you got to do. And all those guys out there, guys, people are getting, so here's some important things. This Sunday, I have real life trading on my YouTube. That's my brother, Jeremy Newsome. He's a very seasoned, experienced trader, and he helped me get off the ground by putting me on his YouTube for an interview. So check that out. Actually, let's see if we can find it. Real life trading wars. See if we can find it. Well, when you go to his channel, guys, let's just look at it. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. So Jeremy Newsome, guys, he's just an amazing person. And I'm going to have him, why do I just pause? I'm going to have him on my channel on this Sunday, okay? Real life trading wars. Let's see what we get. There we go. So this is an interview I did. When did we do this? December 6th, 2020. Okay, I was a baby. And this guy put me over. He gave me a chance to speak the truth. And wait, we had a question with a $49 donation? What? Really? Okay, I'm going to be looking for that right now. I don't think I saw that. But yeah, so check it out. What we're going to be focusing on in the interview is we're going to be talking about gaps. So I learned a lot about gaps from Jeremy. He was really he has a lot of good content on his YouTube channel, a lot of free classes and seminars, and I learned some of my basic knowledge before I adapted it to my style from Jeremy. And I'm going to interview him, and I just want to return the favor to him because he was a very, very genuine and nice person to me when I was nobody. Oh, okay, so here we go. So it's we got the 49 what's a Mexican dollar called again? Do you know?
Pesos.
Pesos. So we got the 49 pesos from Eduardo Maldonado. Thinking on only trading, no more long position thoughts. Thinking on only trading, no more long position thoughts. I'm not sure what you mean there, brother, but like if you mean picking one direction and sticking to it, that's definitely fine. You can pick any direction and trade it as long as you're managing your risk. You can make money short, you can make money long, as long as you're managing your risk. Okay? So there you go. All right. So the other thing that's happening on Sunday is I'm getting interviewed by our friend GAA Options. A lot of you guys know about him. Let's pull him up here for a second. He's interviewing me, and I really respect that because, you know, to be amongst the top option guys up here makes me really happy. So he's gonna be interviewing me on Sunday. I don't know when he's gonna release the recording or whatever, but I'm very, very grateful for that. But that being said, guys, there's some people out there, there's some channels out there that we need to get them to come to us. We need to get our reach stronger as a team because we need to spread our message. So anytime you guys can, give me a refer me to somebody or whatever, say, hey guys, get Trading Wars on an interview, whatever. We need to do that. We need to do that because I just want to keep growing. I just want to share the message. So help me out in that way if you can. All right. So thank you very much, everybody. I appreciate all of your time as always. And that's it for us tonight. And I hope you learned something. And then I already set up the picks for tomorrow. The alerts are ready to rock and roll. And let's go out there. Let's make some money. It's been a great week so far. And the last thing I'll say here is if you're up a lot on the week, don't go and risk all of your earnings, all of your gains in one or two plays and blow it up. Because we've all done that before. Manage your money properly. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Have a good night.
Good night, guys.